If you think your child might have dyslexia or any other disability, you have a legal right to request an evaluation to determine whether your child would qualify for an IEP, which is an individualized education plan. You should send your request in writing to either the principal or case manager at your child's school. Your request should explain why you think your student might need an IEP. The school must then respond in writing, either accepting or denying your request within 14 days. If they agree, they must get your consent before they can conduct the evaluation. And once the school gets your consent, they then have 60 days to complete the evaluation. Once complete, the school will hold an eligibility determination meeting. There, each specialist and professional will share everything they learned about your child during their evaluation, and then they'll determine whether your child needs an IEP. You have a right to be at this meeting, to ask questions, and to share your thoughts. You are the most important member of the IEP team.